this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem, which shows up whenever you tap the shorts part within the YouTube app and you want to view shorts. Okay, for example, you open shorts just like this, shows you have reached your shorts feed limit. Down, go to home, ignore limit for today. So this is how you fix the problem. So move from shorts to the home aspect, then tap the U option right here, the U tab, tap settings, then go to time management. You should actually see the daily limits option right here, shorts feed limit. Tap right there. Please make sure you adjust this time frame from 0 to 15 minutes. Okay, means 30, any of the time preference. Okay, do that. Okay, but remember, when that shorts feed limit is reached, it will again show that same issue. Okay, so try and make sure that you select the time frame as much as possible, probably 2 hours max. Okay, so that means that if you actually spend 2 hours watching shorts, that pop-up will actually be shown that you've actually reached your shorts feed limit. Or the other option is you can actually toggle this off. Okay, that means the shorts feed limit has actually been turned off and that message will not actually be shown. Okay, if you people in this video, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Catch you in the next one.